Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put Tesla Model 3 in jack mode, easy method. Tap Controls, then Suspension, then enable jack mode in the touchscreen menu. Confirm the warning and follow on-screen steps before lifting the vehicle. Check that the car is in park and the handbrake is set. Walk around to ensure clearance and place jack stands under manufacturer points for added safety before proceeding with work. Start with the car on level ground and the parking brake applied for safety. On the touchscreen, go to Controls, select Service, then tap Jack Mode to activate it. A confirmation prompt appears. Accept it and wait for the system to lock suspension settings. Physically check that wheels will not lower or raise when jacked. Use factory jack points and jack stands and proceed only when the car is secure and stable. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings hands-free music and clear voice prompts while you work on your Model 3, making timers and checklists easy. It fits on a shelf or bench and connects to your phone or garage speaker. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Safety comes first, so inspect jack points and clear the area of people and tools. Lift one corner at a time, placing jack stands immediately to carry the load. Double-check that jack mode remains active and wheels are stable before working under the vehicle. Keep the key or phone away so no one can drive off, and wear eye and hand protection. If unsure, consult a qualified technician to avoid costly mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.